The reason why Mayeni didn't want to be involved on Impumelelo and Amahle's affairs, Mayeni didn't take it serious. Mayeni knows Impumelelo, he is a player. He wants attention on that program, Izingane Zestembu. Mpumelelo didn't get married to Fuyokazi and Tirelo. And Mpumelelo bring another girl. So Mayeni doesn't want to be involved on that drama because those girls, they will end up complaining to Mayeni about Mpumelelo's behavior, what. And Mayeni doesn't want to be on cameras full time. Even on Utando Nestembu, Musamseleku is the one who is forcing Mayeni to come on cameras. But that woman, she is not comfortable. That's why we didn't saw Mayeni on Izingane Zestembu. She doesn't want to be involved on Musamseleku and Mpumelelo's drama. Musamseleku and Mpumelelo paid lobolo for Amahle to prove Mayeni wrong, what I saw. Mpumelelo and Musamseleku, they want to prove Mayeni wrong to pay lobolo that Mayeni, she can accept Amahle as his wife. Mpumelelo bring different girls on that program Izingane Zestembu because he want attention like Musamseleku what he did to Makwela. Musamseleku bring Makwela in his life because of attention, because of the views. Musamseleku is the one who is teaching Mpumelelo the game of the content. Musamseleku is teaching Mpumelelo about doing the content that when you do 1, 2, 3, you can get some views or attention or what. And Mpumelelo enjoys to do those things because guys, Mpumelelo, you've got that program Izingane Zestembu. He is the leader now who is in that program. That's why Mpumelelo bring different girls. Maybe now they are preparing for Izingane Zestembu season 4. Maybe he can bring another girl. We don't understand. Because we saw it on TikTok, Mpumelelo was gifting one of the girls on her birthday. We don't understand. Maybe we don't understand because Musamseleku and Mpumelelo, they want to prove Mayeni wrong to marry Amahle. It's not about Mpumelelo want to pay lobolo for Amahle before Tirelo. I don't understand. Tirelo was complaining. That's why Tirelo came down. Guys, Tirelo knows the secret, that girl. Mpumelelo and Tirelo, they know each other. Tirelo was complaining on cameras about Amahle's lobolo. Why Mpumelelo, why you marry Amahle first before me, what. But he told her privately, because those people, when they are sleeping, we don't know their conversation. That's why Tirelo, she is very comfortable about Amahle because Mpumelelo told Tirelo that he wants to prove Mayeni wrong about the program, the deal of the content, what. It's content, you understand? Because he knows that when he bring Amahle, because Fuyokazi is no longer in their lives, so there is no drama on Izingane Zestembu between Mpumelelo and his wives, because people were enjoying seeing Fuyokazi and Tirelo insulting each other, fighting each other. That's why Mpumelelo bring Amahle to have drama between Tirelo and Amahle, and he is going to bring another girl. Mayeni have to accept all the drama. Mayeni is not comfortable about the content. We don't want to lie. Even Musamseleku can force Mayeni. We can shoot. Musamseleku, he is forcing Mayeni. But Mayeni is not a content creator, that woman. That's why you saw even on DSTV, they were shooting the content. Doesn't want, space everywhere to be or the cameras to be everywhere on her house. They can shoot a piece of place. Doesn't want everywhere. Even you saw Mayeni's house in front. Mayeni is not a content creator. Musamseleku is forcing Mayeni to come on diaries, on cameras. Maybe he can convince her to increase her money, and we don't know. Because Mayeni she is not comfortable at all about the content. We don't want to lie. Musamseleku is the person who is comfortable is Makumalo. But when it comes to Mayeni, that's why Mayeni doesn't want to be involved on Izingane Zestembu. She doesn't want drama about social media, what they are saying. Mayeni doesn't want it. and Mphumelelo and Musamseleku, they pay lobolo for Amahle to prove Mayeni wrong.